Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Hey, look, I got right here another food review, and today I'm doing another review from Jack in the Box. This is the Bacon Ultimate Cheeseburger. Here, guys. Yep. Jack in the Box is my favorite restaurant too. So, anyways, let's give this another. Let's give this a food review. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Mmm. The bacon ultimate. The bacon is good, and the cheese is good. Mm-hmm. Mm. For the bacon ultimate cheeseburger, I give it an 8 out of 10. 10 from Jack in the Box. I I like bacon because it's pretty good. So anyways, guys, do you like bacon? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, 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 I will try to keep making more videos, so please like this video and subscribe onto my channel. Help me reach out to 215 subscribers. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So anyway, yes, I will see you all next time. Have a good day. Peace.